Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Take you to James Welch Grammar School, Emevor, in Isoko North local government area of Delta State. The school was founded way back in 1957. Last week, a group of his old boys, the set of 1977, which graduated in 1982, otherwise known as the Silver Jubilee set, celebrated 40 years after graduation. For 3 days, the old boys regrouped at the school where they had a Thanksgiving service, a seminar for current students of the school to help them with deciding on a career, a get-together, as well as lunch with students of the school at the dining hall.
Our class 77/82 set has over the past 3 years or so grown to become a strong pillar to support our members, particularly in times of need. Moving from school 40 years back to our different destinations didn't stop the flow of love and friendship amongst ourselves, which has enabled us to achieve the feat so far attained.
The school is decaying. We wept. We went round. It didn't look the same school we left 40 years ago. We don't know whoever is in charge, the missionary or the government. Those who are in charge should please do something. The old boys should find time to come here too and come and see where they graduated from and what it looks now. It looks like people don't live here anymore. All the good structures are falling apart. If every set begins to do something, I think the school will be in proper shape.
Inside the Niger Delta.
Well, the old boys have agreed to embark on some development work for the school. I say kudos to all you guys. And as they say at James Welch Grammar School, Nisi Dominus. Let me translate that, unless the Lord.